In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add product sections on Onhostinger website builder. Okay, so I already created here, and I'm just going to delete this one. I'm going to add a new page, and I'm going to select here empty page. Now to add a new section on Hostinger website builder, what you're going to have to do, just hover your cursor between your header or a footer. Even if you hover your mouse between let's say we have here this blog and there's two sections, you're gonna see here add section here as well. So now I'll just click on here, and I'm gonna show you how to add, how you can add inside your section your products or display products in your section. So what you're gonna have to do is just select here online store, and I'm gonna select product list or single list. I'll select this one right over here. And now here, which I don't like, this is actually showing only on hover. I like to change that, so I'm gonna go to added section from here. I'm gonna select add to, and here in add to back button is you only have only on hover, showing only on hover, and I'm gonna select always. Okay, and now the color, if I want to change the color, I'm gonna go here to style, then here text color. You can change to a different color. So I hope you found this short video helpful. If you found this helpful, please subscribe and like this video. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next video.